What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So here is the Xiaomi Mi True Wireless Earbuds. This is the basic version. Okay, let me do the unboxing. You will get it for around $20 to $25 online. So let me open the box. I'm really very much excited. Here we go. Okay. Okay, I'm really very much excited. Okay, the quality seems quite good even from the box. It's very compact and very small. I was not thinking this gonna be this small compared to where my crappy, yeah, take this one. It's very compact and very small. It's literally very compact. The only thing I do not like is the micro USB, but again for this, and let's see what's inside here. Okay, there's a manual, nothing is empty box, and there is some tip for the variable ear. So okay, is that on or what? Let me just see, can I pair the micro USB, guys? Okay, maybe this one, micro USB. Okay, it's on. I love the box. It's very compact. I think this is the most compact box ever I seen for an earbuds. Very small. Okay. Okay, it's overall quite nice. I'm just liking it overall. Okay. Yeah. Overall, it's quite amazing and quite nice. There's no denial in that. I'm just liking it overall. The build quality is outstanding, as you can see by yourself. It's very compact and very easy to carry. Okay, I think that's enough for the unboxing. I'm going to do an in-depth review. Stay subscribe. Again, it's very compact. Compared to my Remax, like this one. You see, it's much better, very lightweight. Again, not this. The first impression, this one seems like a $50. I can easily buy $50 for it. Again, there's a reason Xiaomi make the best stuff. You like them, you hate them. Like for around 20-25 bucks, this is absolutely a deal. I will not buy Skull Candy or any another brand like JLab, or on the reason I will buy that for the USB-C. I wish they have my USB-C here, but again, micro USB is very common also, not a big deal for me. It's so light. Wow. The feel is very good. There's some weird thing. I like it overall. So wait for my review.